Assalamu alaikum ya Ahlullah. Glad you welcome to my channel Discover Islam. Today my topic is why Islam is growing so fast or why Islam is growing so rapidly. Something incredible is happening across the world. It's the fastest growing religion on earth and it's not slowly down. But why? Is it just birth rates or is there something much deeper behind this unstopped rise? Let's uncover the truth. The unexpected growth of Islam. Islam is not only growing in Muslim countries, it's growing everywhere in America, Europe, Africa, and even places where Islam was once ahead of. And it's not just numbers, it's the heart and minds of people that are turning to Islam. The power of a clear message. One of the biggest reasons is Islam's clear and powerful message, a message that makes sense to people seeking the truth. The beliefs resonates with something deep inside every human being. Islam teaches that there is only one goal. No confusion, no contradictions, just pure simple truth. The wave of conversations. This is the fourth reason of this growing phenomenon. Thousands of people embrace Islam every single year, and here's something surprising: most of them are women. Why? Because Islam honors and protects them in ways society never could. They find peace, security, and a real purpose in Islam. Islam in the media, a hidden effect. Here's the iconic part: even the negative media coverage about Islam is helping its growth. People hear about Islam on TV and they decide to research it themselves. But many of them end up embracing Islam after realizing how much misinformation they were told. The strength of Muslim community. While the world struggles with loneliness and broken families, Islam provides a strong community and unshakable values. It's more than a religion, it's a way of life that brings peace, purpose, and guidance in a world full of confusion. The future of Islam. With over 2 billion Muslims worldwide, Islam is not just a religion of past, it's the religion of the future. It's on that smiles from alone. And look now, who you fit? Look at these. Zinus, but one knows. To spell, to spell, to spell,